Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create uh, the website with OnePage AI. So this is the official website of this AI website builder. So let's get straight into it. Now, first thing you need to do is sync up or log in to your profile in this OnePage.ai. Once you do that, it's pretty simple. You can log in through a Google account. So once you're there, you will be redirected right here to create your first project. Now this is for free, but you can have more options, as you can see right here. So for free you have one website options and three pages and other features, and then you see you have four more options that you need to pay. And yeah, we will stick to the free version for now. So right here at the top right corner you can create a project, so click on that, and now you will see that opens up a new page which it tells you that you can start here with the templates or you create your own. Now see here we have different options for templates, which is really cool. So if you are looking for something that you like or that you have vision for what it needs to look like, you can search right here. Otherwise, you can jump back up to the top, and on the right side here you will see start from scratch. Click on that, this blue button. Now this window will appear. So here you need to put in your project. Okay, so I will go with project name photography. Then I will leave this domain like it is and then create project. So if domain is not available, just change the name. So for example, photography 123 or something like that. Now we are here in our page that where we can start creating. So right here at the left side, we have some kind of toolbar, as you can see, media library styles. So if I click here, we can drag in these PNG SVG files. Then we have some colors combination for our website, also coding. But if you want to code, you need to have some pro upgraded version right here. Then we have settings and OnePage AI. So let's get back right here. Now what you can do, we can add section. Now we can add a cover, blueprint, header, mega menu. So cover, let's go with that. And what we can do, create section with AI. And right now we can type in uh, the style which we want for our section. So I will go with this short text that we see uh, how it will do that. So we can also change to dark mode or light mode, format light, modern light. And when you type in what you want, just click here, send. Also, watch out, you need to have credits for that. Now I will choose here just one quick one. Let's say maybe let's go with that one right here. Now what you can do here, you modify themes, so you can go to the dark mode or light mode. You can also enable pro mode that access advanced features and tools for creating professional landing page and so on. So you can also look for desktop or how it looks on mobile. which came really handy those days because we are all using more of the time the phones. So it's really cool. Now now you are in this position where you just need to play a little bit with this website. So if I go more like that, I will have page more like with these colors. So yeah, this is basically it, uh, how you can create the website in OnePage AI. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.